Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you if any application is available to connect to your SOUNDCORE Liberty 5 on your Android phone. So actually the answer is yes, we have one application. To find it, at first open the Play Store and tap here the search bar. Wait a moment, I need to verify myself. Okay, so now I'm logged in, and here tap the search bar, search icon at the bottom. Tap it again to open the search bar, and now you can search for SOUNDCORE. Now you can tap search again, and no, it's not SOUNDCORE, no, not like that, but you will see this application in a moment when the page loads in. I have no idea why do I have this slow internet connection, but doesn't matter. Here, SOUNDCORE. As I can say, they have this application installed. This is this application. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.